Hey guys, Andrew King here from AndrewDoesReviews.com. Welcome to my AppsBuilderPro review. In this video, I'm going to give you a full demo and a run through on what this is and how it works. I'm also going to share with you the details, the pricing, the upsells, and whether you should pick them up or not. And I got you covered with the best bonus package that you can get your hands on if you decided that AppsBuilderPro is a good fit for you. Now, in a nutshell, AppsBuilderPro will allow you to turn your website into a mobile application. Is that all? No. With this mobile application, you'll be able to send push notifications to all the people that happen to install the application on their phone. So if you have 1,000 users that are using your application, you can send them push notification and start promoting offers immediately. This is a genius idea. When I saw this, I had to make a review about it because we never see like creative ideas like this anymore. So basically, it's really a genius idea because you don't even need to install it on Play Store or App Store. You can host it on your own hosting, and once people visit, they install your app, you can send them push notification. The possibilities are limitless. So if you are interested, then definitely stick with me during this review. I'm gonna break down everything for you. If you would like to pick up AppsBuilderPro anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description. If you are watching it on YouTube, if you came from Google or from my email, you would already be on this page. Just scroll down and click on one of these blue buttons on this bonus page. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of AppsBuilderPro. Now you can do that once this goes live, which is on the 17th of October at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Only then the sales page will be live, the button will be active, and you'll be able to pick up your copy and secure the best price possible. Now, once you pick it up through me, you're gonna get some exclusive bonuses that you're not gonna get elsewhere. My first bonus, I'm gonna give you access to reseller rights to over 50 products. This has a $2,000 value. These products combined did over $8 million in sales. Yes, did over $8 million in sales. So they convert, and they're gonna convert for you. Now, why am I giving you this? I'm giving you this because you get to keep 100% of the profits for all these products. What you can do is, once you get you build a push notification base and you have like 1,000 subscribers on your push notification list, you can start promoting these offers and you get to keep 100% of the commissions. So this is my first bonus. It's gonna help you, it's gonna generate you commissions, and you get to keep 100% of these commissions. Bonus number 2, I'm gonna show you on how to build your email list really fast. Now, since you are gonna build a traffic source, which is gonna be the push notification, I'm gonna show you on how to drive these visitors. I'm gonna show you how to drive these visitors from push notification to your opt-in pages and grow your email list really fast. Bonus number 3, I'm gonna show you on how to make your website mobile responsive. Now, if your website is not mobile responsive, it's gonna be a bit awkward, and your app it's not gonna look congruent. Some logos, some images are gonna be misplaced. So you have to make your website responsive before you make your app. That will entice your users and that will give you a more professional look. I'm gonna show you how to do that in my third bonus. My fourth bonus, I'm gonna show you the 5 secret traffic sources to drive to your pages. Obviously, you have to drive them to your page, and once they go to your page, they install the app, you basically have secured the customer. So I'm gonna show you the 5 secret traffic sources that most gurus are using to drive high quality traffic to their offers. You get to do that as well. My fifth and last bonus, I'm gonna give you access to all the vendors bonuses. Now, there are a lot of bonuses here. There are like, let me just see. Okay, we have over 80 bonuses. This is a huge bonus bundle that you're gonna get as well from the vendor. So we have web conversion video, instant content creator, WordPress, headline pro, Article Indexer Pro, Lead Generation on Demand. I'm not gonna go through them because it's gonna take me at least 10 minutes to read all these for you. So you're gonna get all these. We have a bunch of plugins, a bunch of courses, a bunch of softwares that you're gonna get from the vendor as well. So you're gonna get all my bonuses plus the vendor's bonuses for just the front end price, which is gonna be like $47 for the commercial version or $97 for the agency version. Now, I'm gonna leave you guys with the demo video, and once we come back, we're gonna talk about more details about the product, the pricing, the upsells, whether you should pick them up or not, and that's basically it. So I'll see you guys in a few. Peace.
Hey folks, in this demo video, we are going to talk about AppsBuilderPro. So AppsBuilderPro is an app builder that can convert any website into a progressive web app that works across all the Android devices, iOS devices, and even desktop. A technology that Google, Microsoft, and Apple support and promote over old-style apps. So let's cut to the chase and see how you can convert your existing website, e-com store, or blog into an app. All you have to do is simply log into the app and enter into the app creator wizard. Enter your website's URL and it will automatically grab all the details from your existing website. If you want to change anything, just enter there, upload your logo, and simply click on Submit. Meanwhile, you can see how your app would look in real time on mobile. Just change the app name, description, or icon if you want to, and simply click on Submit, and you're done. Just download the generated files and follow the instructions. All you have to do is upload the files to your website. There is a WordPress plugin too, but more on that later. And once this is done, your website is converted into a mobile app right away. So anyone who visits the website will see an install prompt like this, and in one click, it will be installed on their Android, iOS, or desktop devices. It's that simple. And once you have your app installed, you can send them unlimited notifications. Just go to Notification tab, select your PWA app, click on Send button. Here you can customize your notification message, change the logo and URL and just hit the Send button. All of your mobile, desktop, tablet app users will see a prompt notification for any offer, promotion, transaction, or anything you want to send. No ISP issues, no limit on messages or subscribers or approval processes. You can even download the WordPress plugin that you can simply install on your WordPress website with WooCommerce too. And in just 3 simple clicks, your website will be converted into progressive web app. No App Store approval, no custom development, works even without internet, send unlimited notifications, and a lot more.
Guys, welcome back. So I hope you enjoyed the demo video. Now let's jump right into the pricing and the upsells. Everything that he showed you inside the members area, you're gonna get for $47. Now for $47, you're gonna get all these features right here. Don't mind the pricing because this is just this is the right pricing. This is like the early bird pricing, then the price is gonna go up. So I'm not gonna go in details here. Basically, you're gonna get create progressive web app for Android and iOS devices, send unlimited push notification, create unlimited apps, create unlimited Chrome desktop apps. Basically, there are a lot of good features right here. You can also get the QR code generator, which is really good. This is all gonna be for $47. Now for the downsell price, I think this price is gonna go up, so it's gonna be $37 for the commercial version, then it's gonna go up to $47. This is not a downsell, so basically this is a dime sale. For each and every sale, the price is gonna go up to $47 for the front end. So make sure to pick it up as soon as you see this video if you are interested to secure the best price possible. However, we have the agency version for $97. Now for the agency version, you're gonna get a ton more features. I don't have them included right here, so please check them out at the sales page. They're gonna include all the details for you right here. Please read them carefully before you make your choice. Upsell number 1 is gonna be the AppBuilderPro. Pros, so this is 2 pros, AppBuilderPro and then Pro. So it's gonna cost you $47. Again, here the pricing is mixed up. So I'm gonna explain the pricing for you. Basically, for the commercial version is gonna be $47. For the agency version is gonna be $67, and it's a dime sale. It's gonna go up eventually to $97. That's what it means. So basically, if you want to pick up the agency version, definitely get in on the best price possible for $67 and save yourself a huge $30. So for this, you're gonna get AMP stories, Facebook instant articles, Shopify PWA integrations, splash screens, welcome offers, push notification template, bulk notification scheduling, shake to refresh, social shape API, Facebook pixel integration, and Google tag integration. Now, I would highly recommend you to pick this up even for the commercial version, because you get to add your pixels like Facebook pixel and Google pixel to these pages. So once you add them, basically you can retarget all that traffic for like pennies. So basically I would highly recommend you to go for this, especially that they give you templates. If you are interested, then definitely go for this. It's gonna cost you $47 for the commercial and $67 for the agency, and it's gonna go up to $97. Upsell number 2 is gonna be the AppBuilderPro Elite. Now for this, you're gonna get 10 pre-built mobile sites in popular niches: mobile site builder, consultant, website, push notification manager, top quality design, and commercial license for, let me just check, yeah, $47 for the commercial license. And again, it's gonna cost you $67 for the agency, and it's gonna go up to $97. So this is the final pricing. This is the price, the early bird price. So make sure if you want this, get in on the early bird price to secure the best price possible. OTO number 3 is gonna be $97. Let me just take a look. It's gonna be the AppBuilderPro Consultant Toolkit for $47 for the commercial, and it's gonna be $97 for the agency. It's gonna go up to $197. So the agency is gonna cost you $97, then it's gonna go up to $197. Each clients will have access to features of progressive app builder. You get to create accounts for your clients. So basically you're gonna get the ability to create accounts for clients, and basically you can sell this as a service. So you can sell App Pro Builder as a service. You can go to Fiverr and offer this as a service, and you can create accounts for clients, and you can accept payment from PayPal or any other payment method. So this is really cool. If you want to get this, definitely go for it. It's gonna cost you $47 for the commercial, then $97 for the agency, and it's gonna go up to $197. This is the final pricing. This is the early bird pricing of the agency license. But OTO number 4 is gonna be let me just read it. AppBuilderPro reseller. So you get to resell this as your own. It's gonna cost you $197 for 250 licenses and $297 for 500 licenses. So if you want to sell this as your own and get 100% commission throughout the funnel, you're gonna have to pay either $197 for 250 licenses, so you can sell 250 accounts, or $297 for 500 licenses, and you can sell 500 accounts. OTO number 5 is going to be the WhiteLable WordPress plugin for $47 for the for the commercial and $97 for the agency. And the last one is going to be the mobile app client getting Masterclass. It's going to cost you $47 for the commercial and $97 for the agency. So these are the pricing in the upsells. I will include these discounts in the description of my YouTube video. I'm gonna include them as well in my bonus page if you happen to see this video after it goes live. So you're gonna get a discount if you use this code before 12 p.m. Eastern, you're gonna get 10% discount. The last 48 hours of the allowance, you can use this code to get 8%. Again, I'm gonna include them in the description of this YouTube video or in my bonus page. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next review. Peace out.